Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai on Saturday allocated portfolios to ministers in his new cabinet, with most of them retaining the ministries they had in the previous B.S. Yediyurappa government. In a surprise move, debutant ministers have got plum portfolios like Araga Janendra, who has got Home Department, and V. Sunil Kumar, who has got Energy along with Kannada and Culture. The Chief Minister, who had on Wednesday expanded his new cabinet by inducting 29 ministers, had played it safe by and large, retaining old faces, and 23 of them were ministers in the previous Yediyurappa cabinet, while 6 were new. 17 ministers have retained the portfolios that they had served in the previous government. Out of them, 8 are those who had joined the BJP after quitting the Congress-JDS coalition in 2019 and helped the Saffron Party come to power. At least 6 ministers who are either long-time BJP loyalists or with RSS background, including Araga Janendra and Sunil Kumar, have got plum portfolios. Although the portfolio allocation has given rise to some amount of disgruntlement, with 2 ministers, Anand Singh and MTB Nagaraj, openly expressing displeasure about their portfolios. Downplaying the disgruntlement among his cabinet colleagues, the Chief Minister has said that he will speak to them personally and sort out the issue, as everyone cannot get the portfolio they ask for. Along with Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF, the National Investigation Agency on Sunday carried out raids at multiple locations across Jammu and Kashmir in connection with the funding of anti-India activities. Raids were conducted in over 45 places across Jammu and Kashmir, including Doda, Kishtwar, Ramban, Anantnag, Budgam, Rajouri and Shopian. People linked with Jamaat-e-Islami are being raided, and it started at around 5:20 am this morning, senior NIA officials said. A senior NIA team has flown from New Delhi to Srinagar to conduct the operation. The investigating body has seized documents and digital devices, and it is said to be one of the biggest crackdowns against Jamaat-e-Islami, an outfit that was banned by central government in 2019 due to its pro-Pakistan and pro-separatist leanings. On a day when TMC All India General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee is supposed to reach Tripura, his party on Sunday alleged that TMC leaders who were attacked a day ago had been arrested. Spokesperson Devanshu Bhattacharya, Sudeep Raha, Jaya Datta and 8 other members have been taken into custody, the TMC claimed. On Saturday, the party had said that instead of arresting criminals who have perpetrated the attack, TMC leaders were arrested. Abhishek is visiting the state in solidarity with the leaders. Party General Secretary Kunal Ghosh, who is on his way to Tripura, tweeted that TMC leaders were made to wait in the police station the whole night. The Trinamool Congress has offered Assam MLA Akhil Gogoi to lead the party in Assam, according to sources. Akhil Gogoi, an MLA from Assam's Shivsagar and Krish Mukti Sangram Samiti leader, met TMC Supremo Mamta Banerjee on Saturday and was reportedly offered to lead the party in Assam. While Akhil Gogoi is yet to take a final decision, he has openly expressed his desire to see West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee as the next Prime Minister. He has openly expressed his fondness for Mamta Banerjee, describing her as the biggest face of resistance against the fascist RSS and BJP. Akhil Gogoi is a farm activist and president of the newly formed political party Raijor Dal. He had won the Assam Assembly election from the Shivsagar constituency this year. Hundreds of firefighters fought fires that have devoured record numbers of woodlands in Greece on Saturday and left hundreds of families homeless, but heavy rains have brought respite to hard-hit Turkey. More than 1,450 Greek firefighters, backed by at least 15 aircrafts, were battling the blazes, with reinforcement arriving from abroad, the fire service said. French President Emmanuel Macron has tweeted that he has spoken with Greek Prime Minister about the crisis. Solidarity as Europeans always, Macron tweeted, saying that France had deployed 80 firefighters and rescue workers as well as 3 Canadair firefighting planes. UK Home Secretary Priti Patel tweeted on Saturday about Britain sending a team of experienced firefighters to support Greek firefighters currently battling the huge blazes.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.